Welcome back to IK Kids. Today I'm going to be teaching you some very cool ways of doing grade 4 maths. Let's start with minus. For an example, 13 minus 9. Minus 9 cosine. Let's draw a number line. Line at the end, your line at the end, your 0, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And the number right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. It's 13 minus 9, so we're going to count backwards. So it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and minus 9. Your answer is 4. Now let's use the quick and cool method. Look at your two numbers, count from your small number towards the big number. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your answer is 4. As you can see, we get the answer with very little sweat. Let's try another example. 18 minus 11. 18 minus 11 equal sign. Let's draw a number line all the way. Then you cut that end and then you cut it. It's going to say 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9, 18. So then, there. Now, we're going to number it underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So then now, it's 18 minus 11. So I'm going to say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, and minus 11. Get your answer is 7. Now let's use the cool method. So, cool method is, look at your two numbers, count from the smaller number towards the big number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Got your answer is 7. 7. I hope this helped with your understanding of maths. When I'm not posting with my sister, I'll post more maths videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.